Before winter comes, windbreak work must be done. It's a window of an old house. The gap between the inner and outer windows is too wide, a lot of cold wind comes in. The wooden chopsticks went into the gap. Now, prepare a cardboard box. Using a ruler, cut the box paper long to an appropriate width. Using an awl, scrape the middle of the box paper to create a groove. Then, fold the paper to make a V shape. Now, shall we get started with windproofing work that doesn't cost money? Insert a V-shaped piece of paper into the crack of the window. Where the gap length is short, cut a V-shaped piece of paper to adjust the length. Up here, this is where windbreak work was done a few years ago. Old paper is removed for replacement. Also, insert V-shaped paper at the top. It also blocks the gap on the right side of the window. Lastly, work on the gap at the bottom of the window. Here, it is better to work with the V-shaped piece of paper face down. Now, construction is complete. Even the cold winter wind won't be able to find space to enter the room. Thank you for watching.